Let's season our salmon with some salt, some black pepper. All right. Cover it nicely and evenly. Gonna hit it with a little paprika. Wonderful. All right, I'm taking a little bit of oil and I'm just pressing it nicely with my brush there, just pressing all those flavors in there, okay? All right, let's put this aside. Okay, using the same pan, onions. Garlic. Okay, this is great. Now we're going to add our tomato sauce. We got that nice flavor going. Now we're going to add our milk. Yes. There you go. There you go. There you go. Nice pink sauce. Add your Parmesan cheese. Alright, let's blend that right in. Now we're going to put our fish back in the sauce. On a low simmer, we're going to cover it and let it cook till our fish is fully cooked. Give that about 3 to 5 minutes, guys. Alright guys, this is it. Salmon in pink sauce. Oh, this is delicious. Those of you that are new to my channel, please like and subscribe for more delicious videos like this. Until next time, enjoy cooking with Al.